Now, Netball Jamaica has received a major financial boost towards its preparation for the Netball World Cup set for later this year in South Africa. The local governing body today received sponsorship from National Baking Company valued at $10 million. The association is in search of $51 million to cover its expenses in the build-up to the World Cup. President Trisha Robinson has described the sponsorship as significant towards the preparation.
It is a big day for us at Netball Jamaica. We are indeed grateful for National coming on board and joining our program, partnering with us. The journey to the World Cup began last year, coming off our success at the Commonwealth Games. The team has their last international outing next week, you can call it that, where they will play a 3-game series against England. We're really looking forward to this tour. It will give the coaching staff an opportunity to see exactly where it is that our team is at in terms of our preparation for the big show, the Netball World Cup in July.
Robinson further explained that the sponsorship will also cover additional aspects of the national program.
And National coming on board and sponsoring our development program. It's very crucial to the program itself, and it will certainly go a long way in helping us to get the relevant resources that we need to sustain the program.
The Netball World Cup will be held from July 23 to August 6 in Cape Town, South Africa.